Nice engine. 7105. Actually, I want to get up close with this guy. Nice. Nice. I get to see the welded rail train without anyone on it. Okay. This is cool. This is awesome, actually. Forget if I didn't catch that CM train on video. Hey, I got all I need. Wow. Impressive. Huh. Have a safe travel, man. He didn't see me. Oh well. That is awesome. Well, there goes the welded rail train on down to wherever it's going and on to beyond and beyond. Hope y'all enjoyed this great day of rail fanning. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you all in a couple of days. Later.